Now that I snuck into someone's bathroom, I am going to make a tornado. Ha 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 ha. Now to go on the tornado simulator. I would like a tornado to disrupt Jaden Vill at 1:10 p.m. Thanks, bye. The tornado is on the way. Now to seek shelter. Ha 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 ha.
Here is Danny with some important news. The tornado is gone, but half of Jaden Vill has been destroyed and is now being rebuilt by JV Logic. JV Logic puts right damage.
Good news, Danny. This is the GNN News pilot speaking. I thank you for your cooperation. But please, the more help is to rebuild JV, the quicker things can go back to normal. This is Kyle and Danny, signing off.
Dang it. The police are coming.
Bad guy, you're under arrest for making a tornado. You will stay in jail for 200 centuries.